Hello, welcome to Blue Harvest 2, and today's video I'm going to be taking a look at something that just blew my mind. Yes, we're on Great Northern Street. It might be a bit of a giveaway. It was Greenfield Terrace, 1883. That is after the railway was built. But yes, we're going to be looking at Morley Top Station, which is something I've just found out about, and so I've just been trying to find out as much as I can. So I'm going to take you through and show you where Morley Top Station was. Now these, as you can see in the plaque, was 1883. These buildings are from back then, so these would have still been here. And Great Northern Street, it's just a bit of a giveaway. There's a few things in this street around this area that are a bit of a giveaway that there was actually a station there. I didn't know. Great Northern Street. And you can tell by the stonework that they are quite old buildings. You can see Aldi there where the station actually was. And these nice old buildings. So yeah, it's just something that I was doing a bit of surveying on the air vents I'm looking for, and I came up on this, and I just thought I've got to film it. Station house, another bit of a giveaway, and that was the station master's house. So and that's still standing, which is really good. This wall's obviously brand new, and the Aldi is brand new, and I've obviously been there when they've been digging. There was digging up to build the Aldi, and I'm just a bit disappointed. I'll show you in a bit. When I go into the car park, why I'm a bit disappointed. There you go, that's where the station actually was. I didn't know until last night, so that's why I'm doing this video. There's the station master's house, beautiful house. So all this was all a station, and you can see this. I mean, look at the stonework here, and embankments, and that's just old stone from the railways, the embankments and the railway buildings and things like that. It's just, you can tell by the old stone. And I walk past this nearly every day, and it's just not really dawned on me. Then I watched a video last night. Adventure Me, go check that channel out. I'll put links in the description. And I intend to watch all his videos. It did actually film here, and they showed this, so I'm just filming it for myself, getting it out there. I'm doing some local videos, so I thought, what's more local than when I actually live? So this railway was built from 1857 and closed. Well, the station closed in 1969, but the railway closed in 1966. The station was still available. There we go. That is a map from 1892. And the railway is there then. You can see on the map there was the railway. So yeah, it goes round, the wall goes round here, and it just kind of breaks off there. Just ends there. But the building I'm going to show you now was the train's good yard. The trains actually went into that building there. You can see top left there on that map that that's where it is. And there's a bridge that went across. There's a roundabout there now. There's a bridge. There's a roundabout, but there was a bridge over the road over the railway. So you can tell, I mean, I walk past this building all the time, and I thought it was an old mill or something like that, but if you look more closely, you can tell that it's a railway goods yard. Or a shunting yard or whatever, and the trains used to go in there to be repaired or whatever. And the more I look at this building, it just, I don't know why. I tell you what, I have started to look at this world differently. It's just blown me away. It really has. How close this is. History is just on your doorstep. So yeah, this building is from the 1800s, and what I'm going to show you now is something I should have noticed. There we go. Goods depot. Great Northern Goods Depot. Great Northern Railway, as I showed earlier, Great Northern Street. So that's where the bridge was over that roundabout. So the train track went across that road. And going back now, we've still got some of the cobbles. All the cobbles are still here. And I've actually been into the centre of Morley today as well, and noticed a lot more. There were trams down the centre of Marley, and you can see where the path, the pavement was compared to the road. It's all pedestrianised now, but it's just blown me away. And I want to go out and look for the places like this. I mean, it's probably a good start actually, because I just live around the corner from this. As I say, I walk past this every day. Just the architecture of that is just outstanding. So I'm going to show that entrance again. So that the train's going there. You could see at the top. I'm going to zoom in. There, it's obviously been built onto. Now this is Aldi. This is where the train station was. As I said, if I'd have known a couple of years ago, there was like outlines of the buildings that used to be there. But obviously they've all been. I'm going to go down there in a minute. I'm going to go show you the bridge that goes into the station. But this car park, if I'd have known a couple of years ago, I'd have been in and filmed it. But I didn't know until yesterday. And the amount of times I've been, it's ridiculous. So I'm just going to have a look to see if there's any markings left. There probably won't be because of the tarmac. They've tarmacked it over, they dug it all up and tarmacked it all up. Just no history. No history left, unfortunately, but we're going to have a quick look. There's going to be nothing, I know. They've just paved over it, tarmacked it over, paved over it. And this is where the buildings would have been. The railway was. Yeah, no point looking. But there you go. Right, we're going to go over to the bridge. I'm going to show you the bridge now. Let's get over there. These buildings, I'm going to show you these buildings as well in a minute. That is the bridge. That is where the track came in from. And again, it's one of those things that I've walked past so many times and I've not really taken any notice, if you like. I mean, look at the brickwork, look at it. And why I've never noticed that before, I don't know. And that's where obviously the track went. Across the bridge, through into the station. And that bridge was across there. The viaduct, there you go, that's the viaduct. The viaduct was across. There was no roundabout. I'm going to get the drone out. I walk up there to my mum's. Right, I've got the drone out now. I walk up there to my mum's every week. So let's get the drone out. And let's have a closer look at this. What's left of the bridge. It was a viaduct. It was a double viaduct. And that is the only picture I can find, so I'm going to have to show it a couple of times, I'm afraid. But I've searched. There's me. There it is. Look, I mean, why? How have I not? I've noticed it before, and I've never really thought anything about it. But now, I'm just going to look everywhere now. I'm just going to open my eyes. As I say, it's actually a good start for this channel, doing the local histories and things like that. I'm going to go down into Dewsbury because that's where I was born, that's where I was raised. I have not lived in Morley that often. About 3 years. Again, there's that picture. But that is coming down the road there. You've just seen the road coming down there. That's going down. So it was open to passengers. It was the Leeds, Bradford and Halifax Junction Railway that first opened in 1857. The railway was closed to passengers in 1961. And it was only called Morley Top from 1951 to avoid confusion with the other railway station in Marley. So I'm just flying the drone over just to get a viewpoint of what that actually looks like. And it's just blown me away. So there it is. I'm standing right in front of it now. And again, the architecture, the stonework, it's just outstanding. And it looks like these houses are getting demolished as well, which is a bit of a shame. So this is somebody's garden, but there's the steps leading up to the station. That is amazing. So this is where I'm underneath where the bridge would have been. So I've always wondered why this wall is absolutely straight. But if you look back onto where that bridge, the last part of the bridge is, you'll see that it is lined up. I'll show you that in a minute. The cobbles there are cobbles everywhere around this area, and I know why now. So we're going to go and see if we can see anything that's related to the other side of the bridge. But obviously it's all overgrown. I mean, the track would have been there. The embankment, the track, everything would have gone straight through there. But it's all gone. Unfortunately, there's nothing left. I do want to go up to Gilderson, because it went through Gilderson, did this railway track. There is a tunnel up there. Air shafts again. I would like to go up there as well. So I'm gonna check it out. So yeah, the track would have come straight up here. And again, bit of a giveaway. I walk down this street to my mum's every Sunday, and when you find out what the street is called, again, it's going to be a bit of a giveaway. It's never really dawned on me why it was called Bridge Street. Bit of a giveaway. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's straight. You can see it is straight down. So that wall, even though it's a new wall, it's exactly straight. So I wonder if there was something there before that was holding the bridge up. But yeah, just try and imagine a train going across there. So more cobbles there. Cobbles everywhere, even round the roundabout. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that bit of history. And I hope you'll thumb up this video and you'll subscribe. And you'll see more history videos coming very shortly.